Mr. Politician, we don't apply your vision. We see the planet different, but you don't manage to listen. My team, the new entourage, no Jeremy Piven. I'm like the Fresh Prince, just minus the Aunt Vivian. So the younger generation, they feeling my pain more than they feeling the way that you run your campaign. Sometimes I put money over making a change. I'm just trying to make some change while making a change. The preacher trying to tell me that God is the way, as he pull up in his Bentley and parks it away. These days it's getting harder and harder to stay. I take a look in my hood and they too starving to pray. I'm just thinking about the people in awful positions. Truthfully, the only thing that saved me was awesome musicians. So I put on for us. If you don't understand, we don't give a fuck. I thought I told y'all we don't care, no, we don't give a fuck what y'all think. Hey.